Some dogs never bark. Meet the Basenji, the barkless dog that communicates in a way you've probably never heard before. Instead of barking, the Basenji unleashes a strange yodel-like sound called a baru. It's so unique that people often mistake it for a wild animal or even a musical instrument. This bizarre vocalization comes from the Basenji's unusually shaped larynx, which makes barking physically impossible for them. That means you'll never hear a Basenji join in a neighborhood bark-off, no matter how much excitement is going on. Originally from Central Africa, Basenjis were prized by hunters for their silent tracking skills, and their weird, warbling voices could still grab anyone's attention today.